Hi guys, it is day 2 of our word work here. Remember, we are practicing the long I, and it can either be I consonant E, which was our old pattern, but we are working on the Y, or the IGH pattern. So go ahead and get your paper and your pencil, and we're going to sort some of these for the Y and the IGH. And remember, those are going to say long I. Remember, most of the time when we hear that long I at the end of a word, it's going to be the Y. When we hear it in the middle of a word, it's going to be the IGH. All right, so let's try some. Let's sort them. First word, fly. So I, but I hear it at the end, so I'm going to use that Y. Fly. Very good. Next word, bright. Bright. I hear it in the middle, so I. Good. There's our long I. Next word, night. Night. Good. It's in the middle. Night. Next word, sky. Sky. Good. I. Good. Next word, tie. Tie. Remember, not like tie your shoes. That follows a different pattern. This is like somebody's name, like short for Tyler. Tie. High. High. Now this one is special. It is at the end, but it's going to follow this pattern. This one's a special word, so we're going to star that. Next word, spy. Spy. Good. I'm going to erase. You keep yours. I'm just out of room. Next word, my. Good. My. Sight. Sight. Good. Remember, we talked about sight being like beautiful sight to see. Might. Might. Great. Good job. Sly. Sly. Good. Fry. Good. Fright. Fright. Good. And last one, thigh. Thigh. And yes, I hear it at the end, but this is another one, kind of like our word high. It's going to follow this rule. It's going to follow our IGH. So that one we're going to put a star too. So high and thigh are going to be our rule breakers. They are going to follow the IGH even though it's at the end. Good. All right. We have 3 chains to do today. Three chains. Give me 1 second. I am going to move this page so that that video is not in our background. All right. Okay. First word in your chain. First word, light. Light. Good. Light. Let's change that ul to a burr. Change that ul to a burr. Bright. Good. Let's change that burr to a fur. Change that burr to a fur. What word do you have? Fright. Very good. Listen carefully for this one. Let's change that ite to an I. So change that ite to an I. So I'm keeping the fur and putting that I, but it's actually that Y. Good. What's that word? Fry. Very good. Let's change fur to pull. Change fur to pull. What word? Ply. Good. Last one in this chain. Let's change the pull to slool. Change the pull to slool. What word? Sly. Very good. Okay. New chain. First word, night. Night. It gets dark at night. Good. IGH. Let's change the to a Change that to a Might. Yes, very good. Let's change that ite to an I. The I sound, not the letter I. Good. So let's change that ite. It's all of that to an I, but it's actually that Y, and that word is my. Good. Last word in this chain. Let's change the to a pull. Change that to a pull. What word? Ply. Very good. One more chain. First word. This one, these ones all, we're going to put a star. These are all that special. They're going to break those rules. First word, high. That airplane is high in the sky. Good, it's IGH. Let's change that to a S. Change that to a S. Good. Sigh, like when you go, good. And let's change that S to a Th. Change that S to a Th. Thigh. Good. Good job. All right. Great work. Now today you have 3 phrases. So numbers 1, 2, and 3, and they're just phrases. So remember, you don't need the capital letters unless it's somebody's name, and you don't need punctuation because they're just phrases. First phrase, the bright light. The bright light. Number 2, shy tie. Shy tie. And number 3, high in the sky. And I'm going to put a star by number 3 because one of those words break our rules. It follows a different pattern in the wrong spot. High in the sky. Very good. All right, great job. Can't wait to see your work.